Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to show you how to fix Messenger Active Now status on your Android. Watch till the end to know about the technique and click on subscribe and notification bell to not miss any update from us. So to fix Messenger Active Now status, you have to first go to your settings. You have to go to your apps here. You have to look for Messenger. We can see our Messenger here and we have to click on it. We have to go to storage here and click on clear data and click on OK. As you can see here, all our data are cleared here, and now we can again go to our settings here and go to apps. We have to go for Messenger here and we have to click on permissions. We have to allow all the permissions and now go to our Messenger here. You can either save your informations or you cannot save your informations by clicking not now. I'll just click on save info to save my informations here, and now I can click on continuous Hazel, which is my profile. I'll just click on turn on. I'll just click on OK here again. I'll click on change here and click on done for messagings. And now you can see here we were not active. It is showing here active. In this way you can see the active peoples not showing active, and this will be it to fix the Active Now status Messenger on your Android. And there is another way to fix Messenger Active Now status. You can just click on Messenger and to uninstall it and again reinstall it. And if you guys find this video helpful, then you can just click on like and subscribe button to not miss any update from us. Thank you.